Hello everyone, welcome to That Business, where we take you inside the world of manufacturing. Did you know that in Pakistan, millions of concrete bricks are produced annually to meet the growing demands of the construction industry, shaping the infrastructure of cities and communities nationwide? Found in homes, offices, and infrastructure, these sturdy bricks provide strength and durability to structures worldwide. But have you ever wondered how they are made? Today, we will take you inside a concrete brick-making facility in Wakant, Pathar, Pakistan, to explore the fascinating process behind these essential building materials. With a combination of technology, machinery, and generations of brick-making expertise, concrete block making dates back over a century, evolving from simple molds to highly sophisticated manufacturing units. Initially crafted by hand, the process has transformed with technology, allowing mass production with precision and efficiency. Today, with advanced machinery and refined techniques, concrete blocks are produced at a rapid scale, ensuring uniformity and strength. The process begins with carefully selected raw materials: cement, sand, gravel, and water. These ingredients are blended in precise proportions to create a perfect concrete mix. Concrete blocks owe their strength and durability to a precise blend of carefully selected raw materials. The primary component, cement, 10 to 15%, acts as the binding agent, ensuring structural integrity by reacting with water to create a hardened paste. Sand, 25 to 30%, is added to improve workability, filling in gaps between aggregates and preventing shrinkage or cracks. Gravel, also known as crushed stone or coarse aggregate, is one of the most crucial components in concrete block production. Making up approximately 40 to 50% of the total mixture, it provides the structural backbone of the block. Gravel enhances the overall strength and load-bearing capacity of the concrete, allowing it to withstand immense pressure and external forces. It also reduces shrinkage and cracking by preventing excessive cement paste movement, ensuring long-term durability. Additionally, gravel improves drainage within the block, preventing water retention that could lead to structural weaknesses over time. Water, 10 to 15%, is essential for activating the cement in a process called hydration, allowing the mixture to set and harden properly. Finally, additives and admixtures, 1 to 5%, are incorporated to enhance durability, control setting time, and improve resistance to environmental conditions. Together, these ingredients form a perfect synergy, creating concrete blocks that are not just strong, but also long-lasting and reliable for modern construction. The mixing machine is the heart of the concrete block production process, ensuring that all ingredients, cement, sand, gravel, water, and additives, are thoroughly blended to achieve the perfect consistency. Equipped with rotating drums or paddles, the machine operates at controlled speeds to create a uniform mixture, preventing clumping or separation of materials. Advanced mixing technology, such as planetary or twin-shaft mixers, enhances efficiency by reducing mixing time and improving the homogeneity of the blend. Automated systems precisely measure and dispense ingredients, ensuring consistency across every batch. A well-calibrated mixing machine is essential for producing high-quality concrete blocks that meet industry standards for strength, durability, and performance. Once the concrete mixture reaches its ideal consistency, skilled workers spring into action. Using wheelbarrow trolleys, they transport the freshly mixed concrete to powerful hydraulic block-making machines. These machines are designed to handle precise amounts of mixture, ensuring uniformity in every block produced. Modern technology plays a crucial role in concrete block manufacturing. Hydraulic technology ensures precise molding with high pressure, while vibration compaction removes excess air, enhancing block density. Concrete mixing technology ensures consistency, and multi-layer production technology allows for the rapid manufacturing of blocks, increasing efficiency. These innovations enable factories to produce thousands of blocks daily with minimal human intervention. As the mixture is fed into molds, hydraulic pressure is applied, compacting the material to achieve maximum density and strength. This process guarantees that each block meets industry standards for durability and structural integrity. Ready to support the foundations of modern construction? Once prepared, the mixture is poured into specialized molds, shaping the blocks. To ensure strength and durability, the blocks undergo vibration compaction, eliminating air pockets and creating a dense structure. The freshly molded blocks are then left to cure, gaining the necessary hardness before they are ready for use. The goal of concrete block production is to create durable, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly construction materials. Proper curing is crucial. It allows the blocks to achieve their full strength, making them capable of withstanding immense pressure. These blocks are tested rigorously to meet industry standards, ensuring they are fit for construction. So the result? A reliable building material that forms the foundation of countless structures. After the curing and testing phases, the concrete blocks are finally ready. These blocks come in various sizes and specifications, catering to different construction needs. From small-scale housing projects to large commercial buildings, they serve as an essential component of modern infrastructure. Once quality checked, the concrete blocks are shipped to construction sites. Builders and contractors rely on these durable blocks to create strong foundations and resilient structures. And thus, the journey from raw materials to robust building blocks is complete, shaping the cities and homes of the future.